How to import media into DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and either create a new project or open an existing one. Here I am creating a new one. Once you are inside the project, look towards the bottom of the screen and click on the Media Workspace tab. Next, go to the upper left corner and locate the Media Storage panel. This is where you can browse the files on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your media files are stored. You can select video, audio, or image files from here. After selecting the files, you can simply drag and drop them into the media pool located in the center of the screen. If you see a prompt asking whether you want to change the project setting to match the media, you can click change for smoother editing based on your media's properties. Now, switch to the edit workspace by clicking on the edit tab at the bottom. You will notice all your imported media is now available in the media pool on the top left. From here, you can start dragging clips to your timeline and begin editing. You can also import media directly in the edit page by right-clicking in the media pool and selecting Import Media, then choosing the files from your computer. This method works the same and is great for quick importing. And that's it. Now you know how to import media into DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.